Weld. The word weld can have different meanings depending on its context. 1. As a noun, weld refers to the process of joining two pieces of metal together by heating them until they melt and then fusing them together. This is commonly done using a welding machine or torch. Example: the welder used his skills to create a strong weld between the two metal plates. 2. As a verb, weld means to join or unite two things together, either literally or metaphorically. Example: the teacher was able to weld together different ideas and create a cohesive lesson plan. The team worked together to weld their individual strengths and achieve a common goal. 3. Weld can also be used as a noun to refer to the actual joint or seam created by welding. Example: the weld on the pipe was so strong that it didn't leak any water. Overall, weld is a versatile word that can be used in various contexts to describe the joining or uniting of different elements, whether it's through the process of metalwork or metaphorically bringing things together.